the real machine, the towel holder that I've been kind of talking about, put some images out on. A lot of guys kind of showed some interest, and some guys have reserved the product for when it comes out. They're first in line. Guys and gals, which is really cool because it's going to be a fun little product that is going to be helpful. I mean, I've been using a version of this for almost 2 years now, and I've kind of iterated it a couple times, and I think I've refined it down to a very simple, elegant approach to holding your towel and not having to worry about throwing the towel over your shoulder or into a loop or in your back pocket or dropping it. And then especially in the wintertime, when you got gloves on and you got a jacket on, it's hard to find those things, and it gets kind of awkward. With this, you just kind of pull, do, and let go, and you're good. Anyways, so I'm going to put a video out with that very soon, so stay tuned for that.